Hey guys, I'm going to be showing off all three of these Nerf guns and how they work. No, I don't have the top for it yet, but I am working on it. This one, I guess I already gave it a new design, you could say. And this one, yeah. Anyway, of course, how this one works is this little device has to be held down. If I had the orange covering, it would basically do... I guess I'm gonna have to get new batteries, I guess. Now, Stampede. We're gonna do a triple how-to today. Basically, switch that. Like I said, it's reverse. Whatever. Let's get past that. Anyway. Like that. It's like an automatic. And to turn it off is to turn it up. Opposite, like I said. Anyway. And I guess Nerf's Elite's automatic is this. I kind of broke it, so... But you see, this little mag is supposed to go right up in here, and that's supposed to, as you can see, I am really pulling it down hard, and it's not working, so it is kind of broken. But this is an automatic, just like a Stampede, but I guess you can just put the darts through here and shoot that way. Anyway, it's how to use all three of these machine motorized Nerf guns. And into this video.